Static display here as well, courtesy of the Portuguese Air Force, is an aeroplane that's attracted a great deal of global interest for the capabilities it offers. On the roll now, the Embraer KC-390 Millennium.
So the KC-390 is a medium-weight, multi-mission tactical aircraft designed by Embraer, an aerospace company based in Brazil. And interestingly, this is the largest and most complicated aircraft ever built by Embraer.
Very much a multinational product, this aeroplane. International Aero Engines, or IAE V2500 turbofans, and it really slots into the market size-wise in some respects just above the C-130J Hercules. It has a 26-ton, 57,320 pound if you prefer, payload, max cruising speed of 540 miles an hour, and different assemblies are made in different countries by different companies. Aero Vodocody in the Czech Republic builds the rear fuselage. Ogma in Portugal, and the Portuguese Air Force, as I say, operates these, builds the sponsons and the centre fuselage, amongst other items. And BAE Systems has involvement as well, supplying the fly-by-wire control system. Of course, like any transport with tactical missions in mind, it's able to operate from the least prepared or most damaged strips. It can fly off soft fields and snow runways, all helped by a very low resistance undercarriage, which also uses a brake-by-wire system. We won't, I believe, actually be seeing the aircraft landing back here to demonstrate that, though, because it's heading off elsewhere, only being part of today's programme.
And it is indeed a very wide range of missions, including humanitarian support, medical evacuation, search and rescue support, and air-to-air refuelling. In addition, it can be deployed to transport and launch cargo and troops, and to perform paratrooping operations.
It's in service with the Brazilian Air Force, and it's engaged in humanitarian support missions following the Haitian earthquake and the Beirut port explosion, and they carried out a cargo airdrop to the Brazilian research station in Antarctica. The Portuguese Air Force has 2 in service of 5 that it ordered. One of them is here. Hungary had the first of 2 delivered this April. The Netherlands has ordered it to replace the C-130 from 2026, as has Austria, and it's also been ordered by the Republic of Korea. This one, giving us a slow pass, is the 3rd one built, which has been involved in the certification and demonstration campaigns for the C-390, or the KC-390 as it's also known, to reflect the tanker capability, but it's in the colours of the Brazilian Air Force.
The aircraft they're climbing to 1,200 feet to reposition for what I think is going to be the last pass before the aircraft departs off to Farnborough. KC-390 aircraft. The self-protection suite of the tactical aircraft includes detection and countermeasures such as radar warning receiver, missile approach warning receiver, laser warning receiver, an enhanced visual system, and a directional infrared countermeasures system. The KC-390 also features ballistic armour protection for calibre bullets up to and included 7.62mm, and it was also equipped with chaff and flare system to distract and counter incoming missile threats. Seem to be getting a little bit more than we first anticipated from this great display. Aircraft slowing now to 150 knots with the undercarriage coming down. So they've just called downwind with the intention for a low overshoot, and beyond that, departure to Farnborough.
Yes, because as some of you may have noticed, a certain other aeroplane is already lined up at the end of the runway. But a very welcome first opportunity in the Air Tattoo flying display to see from Embraer the KC-390 Millennium. But as the KC-390 goes on its way, we now turn to one of the most extraordinary flying machines ever created. A product of the Cold War arms race, when the United States needed to gather intelligence on Soviet capabilities, it called on Clarence Kelly Johnson, the boss of Lockheed's illustrious Skunk Works Advanced Development Projects team, who proposed a high-flying, unarmed reconnaissance platform